In today's video, I'm going to show you a powerful formula combination with the sum and filter function here in Google Sheets. So in this example data, what I want to do is to filter the number of participants that I have based on the status of either completed or ongoing, and then get the total of that filtered data with the sum function. So let's go ahead and do this. We're going to start by filtering our data first. So we're going to be using both filter and sum functions. So we're going to be filtering our data with the filter function. So start your formula right here with the equal sign, type in filter. So here's our syntax. We have our range and our condition. So our range would be the number of participants right here, comma, and our condition would be if this status right here in column D is equal to this word, which is completed, then it will filter out all of those numbers or values and place them right here. Now what I want to do is to get a total of all of these participants. So we are going to be adding the sum function right before our filter function, and here we have a preview of that number of participants. If we press enter, there we have it. So after filtering it, we were able to get the total of those number of participants with the sum function. There you have it. So in our formula right here, instead of typing or hard coding the word completed, I just put in the cell reference of G2. Next one, we're going to try and do that again, this time with the status of ongoing participants. So first, we're going to filter the number of participants, put in your filter function right there, select the same range, comma, and then the same status range that if that is equal to this word right here, it will show us the results. Here we have them. So these are the number of participants. But if we want to get the total, again, we're just going to edit our formula right here, put in sum, press enter, and there you have it. So basically, we have more ongoing participants for these projects right here than the completed ones. So that's just one of the many instances where you can use this combination of functions here in Google Sheets. Also, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.